We've all used this one. Some of us have used this one. I'm gonna use this one. This one comes with 5 sets of blades, 3 julienne, 1 slice, and 1 grater. All of these are dishwasher safe. The base has a lever right here, and when you push this down, it locks it into place and it will not move. The handle screws on here, very easy. This snaps in and you're ready to go. When you need to switch out your blades, you simply pop one out and pop the other one in. Probably my favorite part is you can fit a bowl underneath it. Let's see how it works on this celery. We're gonna be eating some coleslaw later, so let's julienne some carrots. I've changed my blade to the grater, and now we're gonna grate some cabbage. And now the biggest test is, will the cheese get stuck in this larger size barrel? I just shredded celery, cabbage, carrots, and cheese, and this base never moved.